Again, massive highs, but you even suffered one massive low, which was the passing of your wife. Was that something expected, or that just came out of the blue at that time there?
Papa, may I try to tell you so that it shocked me big time still, you know, because imagine say me go a dance, you see, all the Thursday if you go DJ, you know, because the day in question, she never like how her foot them feel, and we go a doctor with her and thing, and she get medication and something, and we go home. The only thing we can remember when before me leave, because when we take the people their money now, we can't go say, boy, me nah go to the people them dance. Next year, then come post me up on internet about me a dancehall thief, all and something there. But when me I leave now, me never see like she look that ill. Otherwise, me not tell promoters, say, listen, I'm going to take back your money, you know, because my wife not look good, you know. You see me? So when me go a dance now, when I come back now, and that are the Good Friday, my friend, them come down from Canada. I say, here, say me there in the area, and send call me. So when me there one of my brethren, them know me see one of my police brethren, me all have you go to school together, come on and say, you never know, me know. You live over so. Yeah, want tomorrow name so. Man come go your yard because they find your wife dead, yeah, man. But a man take a sledge, man, give me one lick in my head, tap in my ass. Because watch you know. It feel a weird brethren when we reach there, you know, Papa. The crowd did the bigger than Sting, you know. Alright, sure.
Yeah. So this was really, it wasn't expected. It just came out of the blue.
Like she takes it this morning, you see, Papa. Thursday. I will go out with people them dance Thursday night, Holy Thursday, and when me I come back home, Good Friday morning, me get news that she dead. Them you know, must have been split up, man. That's rough, you know, Papa.
Of course it is, but it's rough knowing that somebody's sick and they might die, and it's even rougher knowing that you left somebody this morning and by the evening you come and they're no longer around.
Well, that was a scenario, Papa, but you know, we can't live long still, you know. That's stick with forever. You see me?
How did that affect you personally and professionally at that time there?
Well, I mean, talk about the professional part of it, you know, but personally, man, it split me up. Mash me up, man, devastatingly. You see me?
For sure.
But we have people who talk to still and think where, you see me? Because me alone can't sit down and think about that. Me go mad, you know, sir.
For sure.
You see me? Yeah, so me have good friends when me sit down and family when me sit down and reason with, you know?
How long after that did it take you to really get your career back on track? Because you went to jail, your wife passed. This is a lot of crazy stuff happening in your life. How long did it take you to really get back in the zone of doing music again?
Well, it's a certain thing still, Papa. As a strong man like me, you know, more time I just have to try if you just know it come like a half side of it, me have, you know. I just black out something, you know, and just know say music me have to do still, you know. Because this is my means of survival. You see me? So, we black out certain things for a minute, but then again, it keep repeating in my head. You see me, Papa? But me not really make it there at the front of my mind. So, you see me? Me put it on the back burner. You see me, Papa? And just keep moving on, because if me sit down and think about that every day, Papa, it'll go shell me. You see me?
Sure, because
I've seen people who've been through worse scenario than mine and still stand up. You see me, I deal with Papa?
For sure.
Yeah, so, but remember me tell you, say, my God is real, you know, Papa, you see me? And I don't believe in a God. I know my God. You never believe is a doubt, you know, Papa, you see me? So, me not deal with belief when it come to my God, and know me know my God. And my God is real. And it's all here for me, you see me? Through good, bad, and indifferent times. You see me, Papa?
And through all of this going on, was Gaddafi still managing you, or you guys had split at this time here already?
No, Gaddafi did kind of thing there, you know. Gaddafi did kind of gone foreign during them time there when my wife did drop out still.
Mm-hmm.
So me kind of dip on my own one way, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.